Recipe for warm tomato soup. For this recipe you'll need 2 tins of diced tomatoes, 1 leek, 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, the peel of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of tomato concentrate, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, oregano, as much as fits between 3 fingers, 1 teaspoon of dry mint, salt and pepper to taste. Cut the leek, onion, and garlic into large pieces, then fry in heated olive oil over medium heat until the ingredients turn golden. Stir in the tomato concentrate. Simmer for 1 minute, then add canned tomatoes and grated lemon rind. Add oregano and mint. Pour broth, salt, and pepper to taste. Simmer for 10 minutes. Blend the soup and serve with Greek yogurt. If desired, sprinkle more mint and oregano.